Matt Coleman, founder of Hero Smith, here with your epic marketing tip of the day. You know, a lot of founders I talk to say to me, if I could just meet with my ideal customer for 45 minutes or an hour, I can convince them to become a customer. Well, the sad truth is, a lot of prospects who don't know you, like you, and trust you aren't even going to give you that space to meet with you. So one way that you can leverage this crazy stay-at-home quarantine, hashtag quarantine lifestyle that we're living right now, and to use this time is to get testimonials from your own customers. And with this world that we're living in, it's never been easier. Most of us are doing meetings over Zoom, and Zoom has some pretty awesome features that will allow you to set up a call with your customer. Obviously, in advance, you want to come up with 5 or 6 open-ended questions that you can ask them, your current customer, about what it's like to work with you. And then once you're in Zoom, you'll see that they have there's a record option right here. Now, even on the free versus the pro option, you have the option to record to this computer and save it in a local file. There's a couple other settings that are probably handy to get in there. Now on a Mac, you would go to preferences. I assume there's something similar on a PC. But yeah, you would just want to go in here. First off, I would go into the video settings and enable HD. I would also use the touch up my appearance, and then head over to the recording section. And then I would select this option here, choose location to save the file after the meeting ends. Otherwise, Zoom is going to put it in a sort of silly place of their own picking. And then I don't know what optimized for third-party video editor, but just in case, I think it's worth checking that box. They say it makes it a larger file size. I haven't noticed it being that incredibly dramatic. And then record my screen sharing. If you happen to want to do some sort of screen sharing video, you can do that there. So leverage this time to get testimonials from your current customers and then share those on social media, maybe even use them on your website. And I know what you're thinking. What about quality, right? These might not look as good as something if we hired a professional video crew. While that's true, the authenticity of them, the fact that we're all in this situation, the authenticity of those, testimonials can actually work into your benefit. Some of those powerful testimonials I've ever shot ended up being ones shot on an iPhone, super informal. And that is conveyed through there and helps increase the authenticity. Now, Hero Smith members, Denver Film and Digital, have a great new service they're offering where they'll help you, set all this up, take these files, these recorded testimonials, splice them together in a bit of like a sizzle reel, if you will, of testimonials, put music and graphics behind it, and really create a polished professional presence out of a simple testimonial or two that you got from customers right from the comfort of your own home office. So that's your epic marketing tip of the day. Be sure to tune in every day and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a tip. Thanks.